Hi, it's Charlie Zeiss with Stargate Pyramids and the Pyramid Science Foundation. Wanted to do a quick alert. I just found out 2 days ago that I'm going to be the guest of Richard Syrett on Coast to Coast AM on Saturday, June the 24th for 2 hours. And my segment's going to be from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's 10 p.m. to midnight Pacific Time. We'll be discussing the new documentary that I put together on the golden ratio and the organizing principles of the universe. So if you have some time, I think it'll be well worth staying up for and listening to. Look forward to having each of you tuning in to listen. And if you have questions, I think Richard's going to have some time for you to call in and ask questions as well. So again, Saturday, June 24th, Coast to Coast AM. Thank you for listening, and you have a great day.